Here's an art technique for mounting canvas onto mat board. If you like what you see, please share, comment, and like. Thanks so much. Hi there. This is a quick technique video on how to mount a painting on canvas to mat board. Until recently, I was with a gallery in France who had franchises all over the world. They are unique because they cater to the tourist trade, offering 4 sizes of paintings. They require the paintings to be in a flat form. They would mount and frame them to the customer's requirements. Since they are too small to put on stretcher bars, we had to come up with a way to make them marketable. This is what we came up with. Mat board measures 32 by 40, so I had to figure out the most efficient way to cut the pieces. There are 4 sizes, all sized for available framing: 20 by 40, 16 by 20, 11 by 14, and 8 by 10. Here's the plan for each size. Getting everything prepared and lined up is key. We have a nice big mat cutter, so it was put to good use. We've done this before, so we had jigs already made up for each size. They are made from Luan, otherwise known as door skin, so they're lightweight and store easily. Each painting has to be carefully cut to size with nice clean edges. This can be a little tricky because the gallery required a title and signature on the back of each painting. I made a note of each title and used a post-it on the top of each painting. I certainly didn't want to have to title 34 new images. Next, we line them up and spray glue on the back. Let it set a little until it's tacky. We use a 3M product called Super 77. The jig is set up, mat board goes down, next comes the top part of the jig, and then the painting positions easily this way. Once you've got it in place, then you remove it. Freeze your paper over the top and use a brayer and pressure to make sure it's glued down well. The next step is to sign and title them all. This took me a little while. My easel with a backboard worked for the photos. I take about 8 different shots, and this photo shows the painting in a bag on the easel, and then the last photo is a mock-up with the frame in a room. Hope you like it. What do you think?